Ventura Double Leg Center Bike Kickstand for 26-29 inches by M-Wave, 05112020. Cost, $12.29. Amazon, https://www.amazon.com/BP/F_Sid_F8_PS_1. Material, steel, fit, for standard 26 inches 28 inches bicycles, not intended to support the weight of a motorized bicycle. Installation, mounts at center of bicycle. Features, anti-slide feet with rubber grips, top steel plate included for mounting. Tools needed, only an 8mm Allen hex wrench is needed for installation. Product description: Ventura Double Leg Kickstand for 26-29 inches. Fits 26-29 inches. Bikes.Height-adjustable. Anti-slide feet. Steel construction black in color. Product details: color, black. Size, 26-29 inches. Product dimensions, 12x8x15 inches. 1 pound. Shipping weight, 1.8 pounds. View shipping rates and policies. Domestic shipping, item can be shipped within U.S. International shipping, this item can be shipped to select countries outside of the U.S. Learn more. ASIN, B001NGD5D4. Item model number, 430,772.
Bike stand's not going to work for me. It's a nice looking bike stand. I wish it would have, but it's not going to work for me. This is it bent. This is my e-bike and I wanted to put it on my e-bike. But when I measure or get them, just place it in the area, I can see it's going to hit the chain and my tire. It's just not enough clearance. It's too close for comfort, I think. You know, let me just try temporarily and let me see. It's not gonna fit. It's touching. I couldn't even put it in the correct way. I had to flip that over to get it to fit. The screw was not long enough when I put it the correct way. But when I flipped it over, you can see it's still hitting the tire. There's no more clearance in the front, which didn't work out. I'm gonna have to get another size. I was hoping this was the size for it, but didn't work. I mean, there's a kickstand already on it, right there, but I wanted a center one, but that's not working. All right, so I'm sorry I couldn't finish the video at all, but I hope it helps. I hope you liked what you did see. Thank you.